Buying a business can be a thrilling and rewarding journey. It's a path filled with opportunities and challenges that can lead to immense personal and professional growth. It offers a unique opportunity to become your own boss and shape your financial destiny. You have the freedom to make decisions that directly impact your future. Unlike starting from scratch, acquiring an existing business provides a foundation upon which to build. This foundation includes established systems, loyal customers, and a recognized brand. You inherit established processes, a customer base, and brand recognition. These elements can give you a significant head start compared to starting a new business from the ground up. This can significantly reduce the risks associated with new ventures. The groundwork has already been laid, allowing you to focus on growth and improvement. Imagine stepping into a role where you're not just building a business, but enhancing an already functioning entity. You can bring fresh ideas and innovations to an established operation. The potential for financial gain is a major draw for aspiring entrepreneurs. A well-managed business can provide a steady stream of income and opportunities for expansion. Owning a profitable business can generate substantial income and build long-term wealth. This financial stability can open doors to new ventures and investments. With careful planning and execution, you can optimize operations, expand market share, and increase profitability. Strategic decisions can lead to exponential growth. This can lead to personal financial security and the ability to achieve your financial goals. Financial independence is a powerful motivator for many business owners. Think of the satisfaction of seeing your investment grow and your business flourish under your leadership. Watching your hard work pay off is incredibly rewarding. Moreover, buying a business offers a sense of purpose and fulfillment. You're not just running a business, you're building a legacy. You're not just making money, you're contributing to the economy, creating jobs, and serving your community. Your business can become a cornerstone of the local economy. You have the power to make a positive impact on the lives of your employees, customers, and stakeholders. Your leadership can inspire and uplift those around you. This sense of purpose can be incredibly motivating and rewarding. It drives you to push boundaries and achieve more. Finally, business ownership allows you to pursue your passions and build a legacy. You can create something that reflects your values and vision. You can choose a business that aligns with your interests and values. This alignment can make your work feel less like a job and more like a calling. This allows you to combine your professional life with your personal passions. When you love what you do, it shows in your work and your results. You can build something that you're truly proud of and leave a lasting impact on the world. Your business can be a testament to your hard work and dedication. This is a powerful motivator for many entrepreneurs. The journey of business ownership is filled with challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Before diving into the world of business acquisitions, take the time to define your entrepreneurial vision. This foundational step is crucial for your long-term success and satisfaction. What kind of business are you passionate about? Reflect on your interests and what drives you. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Understanding these will help you find a business that complements your abilities. Answering these questions will help you narrow your search and identify businesses that align with your goals. It's about finding the right fit for you. Think about the industries that excite you and the skills you bring to the table. Your enthusiasm and expertise will be key drivers of your success. Consider your lifestyle preferences and long-term goals. Do you want a business that allows for a flexible schedule or one that demands a more traditional work week? Do you envision a hands-on role or a more managerial approach? Your preferred level of involvement will shape your daily responsibilities. Are you willing to relocate or work long hours? These are important considerations that will impact your personal life and business choices. These factors will influence the type of business you choose and the level of commitment required. Make sure you're prepared for the demands of your chosen path. Be honest with yourself about your limitations and aspirations. Self-awareness is key to making a sustainable choice. Research different industries and business models. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Explore emerging trends and identify industries with growth potential. Staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. Consider the competitive landscape and the barriers to entry. Understanding the market dynamics will help you navigate challenges. This research will help you make informed decisions and choose a business with a promising future. Knowledge is power in the world of business. Look beyond the surface and delve into the underlying dynamics of each industry. The deeper your understanding, the better your chances of success. Once you have a clear understanding of your vision, start exploring potential acquisition targets. Your vision will guide your search. Network with industry professionals, attend trade shows, and browse online business marketplaces. These activities will expand your opportunities. Cast a wide net and be open to exploring different options. Flexibility can lead to unexpected and rewarding opportunities. The perfect business may not be immediately apparent, so be patient and persistent in your search. Persistence is often the key to finding the right opportunity. Understanding market dynamics is crucial when considering a business acquisition. It involves a deep dive into various factors that can influence the success of the acquisition. Analyze the target market's size, growth potential, and demographics. This will give you a clear picture of the market's capacity to support the business. Identify key trends and drivers that are shaping the industry. These trends could include technological advancements, consumer behavior changes, or economic shifts. This information will help you assess the long-term viability of the business and its potential for future growth. It's essential to understand how these trends will impact the business over time. Look for markets that are expanding and have a sustainable customer base. Evaluate the competitive landscape to understand the level of competition. Who are the major players in the industry? Knowing the key competitors will help you gauge the competitive pressure. What are their strengths and weaknesses? This analysis will help you identify opportunities and threats in the market. How does the target business differentiate itself from the competition? Understanding its unique selling points is crucial. Understanding the competitive dynamics will help you assess the risks and opportunities associated with the acquisition. This will enable you to make strategic decisions. Look for businesses that have a competitive edge and a clear value proposition. A strong value proposition can drive customer loyalty and business growth. Consider the regulatory environment and any potential legal or political risks. Compliance with regulations is critical for long-term success. Are there any pending regulations that could impact the business? Staying ahead of regulatory changes can prevent future complications. Are there any political uncertainties that could affect the market? Political stability is often a key factor in business success. Understanding these factors will help you mitigate potential risks and make informed decisions. A thorough risk assessment is essential. Be aware of the legal and political landscape in which the business operates. This awareness can help you navigate potential challenges. Finally, assess the technological landscape. Technology can be a significant driver of business success. Is the industry undergoing rapid technological change? Keeping up with technology is crucial for staying competitive. Does the target business have the technology and infrastructure to adapt to these changes? Technological readiness can determine the business's ability to innovate. Understanding the technological environment will help you assess the long-term sustainability of the business. A forward-looking tech strategy is vital. Look for businesses that are technologically advanced and adaptable to change. Adaptability can be a key differentiator in a rapidly evolving market. Section 4. Unveiling financial realities. Evaluating the financial health of a target business is paramount. Analyze the company's financial statements, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Look for trends in revenue, profitability, and expenses. This analysis will provide insights into the business's financial performance and its ability to generate cash flow. Scrutinize the numbers carefully and look for any red flags. Assess the business's assets and liabilities. What are the company's tangible assets, such as property, equipment, and inventory? What are its intangible assets, such as patents, trademarks, and goodwill? What are its liabilities, such as loans, accounts payable, and deferred revenue? Understanding the business's asset and liability structure will help you determine its financial strength. Analyze the business's debt levels and its ability to service its debt. What is the company's debt-to-equity ratio? What is its interest coverage ratio? These metrics will provide insights into the business's financial risk. Look for businesses with manageable debt levels and a strong ability to generate cash flow. Finally, project the business's future financial performance. Develop financial projections based on various assumptions about revenue growth, expenses, and capital expenditures. This analysis will help you assess the potential return on your investment and the risks associated with the acquisition. Consider different scenarios and be realistic in your projections. Section 5. Legal scrutiny and due diligence. Due diligence is a critical step in the acquisition process. Engage legal counsel to review all contracts, agreements, and legal documents related to the business. This includes reviewing leases, licenses, permits, and intellectual property rights. Thorough legal due diligence can help you identify potential legal issues and protect your interests. Don't skimp on legal advice. It's an essential investment. Conduct a comprehensive review of the business's operations, including its management team, employees, customers, and suppliers. Interview key personnel, visit customer sites, and inspect facilities. This operational due diligence will provide insights into the business's strengths and weaknesses and its potential for future growth. Get a first-hand look at how the business operates on a daily basis. Assess the business's compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. This includes environmental regulations, labor laws, and industry-specific regulations. Ensure that the business has all necessary permits and licenses. Compliance due diligence can help you avoid potential legal problems and protect your reputation. Don't underestimate the importance of regulatory compliance. Verify the accuracy of the financial information provided by the seller. Conduct an independent audit of the business's financial statements. This financial due diligence will help you confirm the business's financial health and identify any potential discrepancies. Don't rely solely on the seller's representations. Get independent verification.